Hello, I'm Violetta and Russian for Foreigners today. Today we'll speak about the verb to know. In Russian we should pronounce я знаю if I can say about myself something. But infinitive will be знать. Знать. Okay, here you can see the verb знать. So important verb. So let's start and let's go to the board. I know. In Russian я знаю. Я знаю. If you remember, so important to know the end of the verb when you are using the verb. Some of them, in Russian, I mean. So in English we are not changing the end of the verb, but in Russian you should change. It depends on я, ты, он, она, оно. So, if you are speaking about, I will speak about you, it means I should say in English, you know, right? But in Russian, ты знаешь. Ты знаешь. Знаешь. Can you hear at the end the letter sh? Sh. It's a sound sh, but it's a bit like soft. Can you hear sh? So because of the мягкий знак. Do you remember this letter? Мягкий знак helps you, so not you, but letter before this мягкий знак to be softer. So, знаешь, знаешь. Ты знаешь, ты знаешь. Next one, he, she, it. In English we have the same. Knows. You know, but he knows, she knows, it knows, right? So in Russian it's the same. What's the same, you wanna ask me? But он, она, оно. After that you should use знает. Знает. So you can say она знает, it means she knows. Он знает, he knows. It knows also. We have оно знает. You know? Он знает, она знает, оно знает. So, next will be about us. We know how to say in Russian. We know, it means мы знаем. Мы знаем. Мы знаем. At the end will be ем. Мы знаем. Мы знаем about something. Or the secret. Мы знаем your secret. Твой секрет. Мы знаем твой секрет. We know the secret, your secret. So, I will not tell anyone about your secret, okay? So next will be again you. But you, in Russian we have two forms of you. Let's remind you. You as a friend, like you, my friend, or another person, you like a formal, you as my president of my country, you. It's different in Russian. In English you should just pronounce you, but in Russian we should say ты as my friend or вы as a president. Do you understand? Okay, you know, but if you say formal, should be вы знаете. Вы знаете. Вы знаете. So, we know. Вы знаете. Next will be they know. They know. So, они знают. Ют at the end. Они знают. So, here you can see ешь, ет, ем, ете, ют. Okay, let's repeat. Let's repeat from the first I know. Я знаю, ты знаешь, он знает, она знает, оно знает, мы знаем, вы знаете, formal, you, formal. So, они знают. Do you see? Just, it's not so difficult, just you have time for it to memorize it, that's it. And let's start from my first lesson. Maybe you will know more. If you can repeat it all the time, for sure you will remember. So next part will be about past. So this one about present, but past a bit different. Okay, for example, я знал. If you are male, in the past, you should pronounce знал. But female should say знала. But do you see? And present doesn't matter. Знаю. Okay. Female, male, doesn't matter. But here in the past, it's so important. Like, in the past, you should say я знал if I'm a man, but if I'm a girl, I should say я знала. I knew it. Я знала. Let's continue. You also can be with the two different variants. Like ты знал if you are a man, but ты знала if you are a woman. The same. Знала. So next will be about him. He knew. Он знал. Obviously will be L at the end. But if you're a woman or she is a woman, it means она знала. And I think will be not difficult to memorize if you say она, you say она знала. Next, оно or знало. Do you see? It means it knew. Оно. It means it. Оно знало. We are, знали. И at the end. Вы, you guys, or like generally speaking about people, or formal, you formal, it means вы as a president, like вы знали. И at the end. Вы знали, you knew. Они знали, they knew. So, они знали, also и at the end. Let's repeat. Я знал, о знала. Ты знал, о знала, if you're a female. Он знал, она знала. Оно знало. Мы знали. Вы, formal or plural. Вы знали. Or they It means они знали. So, my Russian friend also, he tried to memorize about himself, and I know, я знаю, he tried to memorize that you should repeat again this lesson, and don't forget to subscribe it. So see you later. If you have any questions, suggestions, let me know.